They pertained only to the regional issues and particularly to the issues relating to their areas. Full stop. If we took the overall picture painted by various members in their local areas, a national picture emerges. Full stop. Members have criticized the delayed clearance and starting of the projects and also about funding in certain aspects. Full stop. Members demanded that certain projects should be treated as national projects. Full stop. There are also allegations made by some members about the corruption at the final stage by the engineers in certain projects. Full stop. Grave references were made to the lag in the potential created and the potential utilized with huge investments and managements. Full stop. There were references with regard to floods and droughts and their management. The money spent by way of relief and safety measures, water logging by misutilization and misuse of water and excess use of water. Full stop. They suggested certain steps with regard to the forest area development and lapses and gains. Full stop. Some friends also referred to the water rates and their recovery by the states, but amongst the serious issues that were raised, one was for resolving of the pending disputes. Full stop. Close.